This Instagram AI studied my entire business and started getting me real followers, making reels, and closing DMs. I did nothing. I'm not exaggerating. I uploaded my offer details, added a few URLs, and GramGenies just took over. It scanned Instagram for trends that actually matched my niche, built out a full content plan, and started posting reels targeting the right people at every stage of my funnel. Top of funnel to grab attention, middle to build trust, bottom to convert. Then it set up DM automations that reply in my voice, follow up with leads, and close sales while I sleep. Real followers, no bots, no fake account. Everything stays inside Instagram's terms of service. And here's what got me. It didn't just post generic content. It created videos specifically about my business because it actually learned my offer. I'm a solo coach. I don't have a team. GramGenies basically became one. If you're a creator, marketer, or coach trying to grow on Instagram without burning out, you need to see this. Click the link and get access to GramGenies right now.